So I had another thing that kind of has been problematic, or rather bugs me a little. Uh, I know that I can download the database as a script, but let's say I want to just kind of have an easy way to copy it and do some testing with it. Sometimes the script isn't ideal for that because I'm not sure if the script that I have access to has been altered in any way.
Right.
And it would be nicer if there were a more, let's say, fast way for me to do it.
Okay. Yeah, actually in 7.1 we have now a new functionality that should solve your little issue here. Let's take a look here and do the right mouse click on our database. And there is now the new functionality that we can download this database. And you see, you mentioned the script. Yeah, agree. So it could be that you only create a shell of the database, and that not it can include less than the database has currently. But if I select download database, I really get everything. And this is the most the important stuff here. It can also include the system database. So especially when you ask for kind of copy, especially when you do this kind of testing, so you have your productive database, and you can download from the production environment in the cloud maybe the entire database, including the system database if you want to also test the access, the permissions of users. And here in this case, let's do this. We are downloading our Acme Data Online. So actually, I'm free in typing. Let's say I call it so name. This will be the name of the file where everything is stored inside, and I will not include the system database for now because I would like to show you that I do kind of copy in the same environment. So let's download to my local system. So actually what happens is now that the browser will ask me now where to save the zip file.
And I noticed it while it was loading, it even said creating backup. So
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so internally, really from the file system of my server, the server is saving all the data that is currently running in memory down to the file system. Then the server is creating the zip file and then sending it back to the browser here. And you see Acme Data Online download is just the name of the zip file. We save this now to our local environment. So when I go here to my download folder, I have this zip file. It's a small database. And what I can do now is I can go either to the same machine, so we stay here, or to another machine, and you can upload a database now. Now what is very nice is you can give it a different name. So even if I select the same what I have downloaded before, I can give this now Acme Data Copy.
Okay.
For example, just I name it, or let's say Acme Data Test, maybe even better. So, and we select our zip file, and now we are uploading the database, and we get a complete copy in the same environment. And there we are. It's a complete copy of the database, and now you can run tests on this without destroying or doing anything worse with your original database. So it could be on another machine or on the same, even with the same database name. So you have here the possibility of a direct download and upload.
All right. Thanks for that info.
Yeah, you're welcome.